Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have something very fun on my new horse, Mickey. He's a Grand Prix jumper. He can jump very, very high. So today we have the lightning jump competition. So that's why I'm wearing pink pants with a bunch of lightnings and stuff on them. I made them. So yeah, we have my new horse, Mickey, right here. Look at him. Mickey looks so good in pink. Anyway, so I've groomed him, gave him a really good brush. So now I'm just gonna get trainer boots on. So yeah. Okay, I just put his travel boots on. Now I'm gonna go load him up in the trailer. Good boy. Okay. Alright, we're all loaded up. Okay, I'll see you guys when we're at the competition. Okay guys, I'm now here. So we always start at the cross country field because no one thinks about doing that. I open here and do this back out. Good boy, Mickey. Now there's a far walk there, so I always get on. Okay, GoPro time. Okay, we're almost there. I don't tie up because he doesn't like getting out. It scares him. So I go right here. Okay. Alright guys, I just walked to the course. It's pretty big. Look at this. Anyway, okay. Let's tack him up. Okay, I'll see when he's tacked up. Okay, so I'm on. Oh. Okay, so I'm wearing pink. Okay, but not just the pink on my pants down there. So he like the flash, and then I put a tailboat, and he wears this just in case. Anyway. Alright, we're gonna lead him on over to the mounting block, and then we're gonna, where am I? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go put my hat on and get the GoPro on. Okay. Okay, we're on now. So this is the horse. Okay guys, I'm now in the warm-up arena. So I'm just gonna get some clips of me warming up. Okay guys, I switched up the color and I added thin red collar and I added boots. And I added his ear mask on. This stuff is quite noisy at the show. So I don't want him to get like scared or anything, so. Okay guys, I'm now canceling. Then up to this turn. Perfect. And then I went up probably one of the second shortest. It's crazy. Like Ramsey. Alright you guys, I'm gonna put my GoPro on. Okay, GoPro. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Good. This one. Okay, guys. He is such a good boy. Oh, good boy. Okay. Now we're up soon, so I've actually got a rope over there, but he doesn't get out of breath unless I'm riding him for 5 hours straight, honestly. So I have the time to walk there, so you know. Okay, we're at. Okay. Next up, we have Cooper Channel on Mickey. Like I found his new horses and his feedback, because he used to be a Grand Prix horse. This is crazy. Good boy, Nick. Good boy. Yellow, good boy. 1, 2. Good boy. And keep the same 1, 2. guys, I just finished. He was such a good boy. While we wait for the results, I'll show you the clips that my friend got. Hey guys, I'm voiceover right now, and I was literally just showing what my friend got. So, yeah. So we did a 2 class, so I just showed the clips of the second class. So I forgot to GoPro on the last one, so yeah. Okay, I'm now walking around from both of our courses. She was really good, and I'm so proud. For the first class, we actually got first place, and for the second one, we got fifth. The second was like quite long, and we were like jumping a few jumps like a bit too long, so we kept like really over jumping them. But anyway, bye. See you in the next one.